Hi, how are you today?
I am doing well. How about you?
I'm good too. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. Thanks for asking.
What are your plans for today?
I plan to study English for 2 hours.
That's great. What part of English will you study?
I want to focus on improving my listening skills.
Listening practice is really useful.
Yes, it helps me understand native speakers better.
Do you also practice speaking?
Yes, I try to speak English every day.
That's the best way to improve fluency.
I agree. Consistency is very important.
What new words did you learn today?
I learned the words improve, practice, and progress.
Those are very useful words.
Yes, I like learning practical vocabulary.
Do you use a dictionary?
Yes, I use an online English dictionary.
Do you watch English movies or videos?
Yes, I watch English YouTube videos every day.
Do you watch them with subtitles?
Sometimes with subtitles, sometimes without.
Watching without subtitles improves your listening.
Yes, but it's more challenging.
Challenge helps you grow faster.
That's true. I can see my improvement.
How long have you been learning English?
I have been learning for about 1 year.
Your English has improved a lot.
Thank you. I still need more practice.
We all do. Learning never stops.
That's very true.
What topics do you like to talk about?
I like talking about technology and travel.
Technology is always interesting.
Yes, and English helps me learn more about it.
Do you read English articles?
Yes, I read one article every morning.
Do you write in English too?
Yes, I write short paragraphs daily.
Writing helps you remember vocabulary.
Exactly. It also improves grammar.
What grammar topic are you learning now?
I'm learning present tense and simple tense.
Those are important basics.
Yes, they appear in almost every sentence.
Do you have a teacher for English?
Yes, I recently joined English lessons.
What does your teacher focus on?
She teaches grammar and pronunciation.
Pronunciation practice helps a lot.
I know. I need to improve my accent.
Your accent is already clear.
Thank you. I try my best.
Do you want to become advanced in English?
Yes, I want to reach a proficient level.
You will reach it soon if you continue like this.
Thank you for the motivation.
Do you practice English with friends?
Yes, sometimes we talk in English together.
That's great for fluency.
Yes, it builds confidence.
Confidence is very important.
I agree with that.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I enjoy it very much.
Enjoyment helps you stay motivated.
Yes, it really does.
What difficulties do you face in English?
Sometimes I struggle with fast speech.
That's normal. Listening takes time to develop.
Yes, but I am improving slowly.
Slow improvement is still improvement.
That's true. I won't give up.
That's the spirit.
Thank you.